mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix is Dwayne, and he is still speaking about Donna. And basically, he brought up Ashanti in this one. He was saying that, 3/4 of the stuff that Ashanti has said, about Donna is true, allegedly. And he was saying basically that people are supposed to support her in buying her cakes. However, he is saying that people should not support her charity, as they are, as it is not a real thing. So, guys, you have to go ahead and catch the video and hear what he has to say about this. He said that, basically that Donna is making honestly when by, selling her cakes. Otherwise, though, he's saying that people should not donate to her. So go catch the video, hear what he has to say about her and what he said about Ashanti. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, For all my lovelies out there celebrating their beautiful birthdays today, March 1st. Oh my God, happy birthday. I wish you prosperity and all your heart desires this your year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, my subscribers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful Saturday. Get up and get out there and have fun. Remember, it's a brand new month, and we have to start this month off in a very positive way. So go have yourself some fun, man, and enjoy whatever you're doing today. And don't let nothing tear you down. Remember, man, we have to live a life that we will please, and it is our one life. Live it like there is no tomorrow. Have yourselves a beautiful day now.
Action is a bitch. If only you knew. Has Donaga's mother ever purchased her a car for £15,000? Has any of your mothers ever done that for you? Never. I'm far from rejected over here. In fact, I'm loved unconditionally. Loved unconditionally. Spell the word. That is me. I am disgruntled. Donaga, I never wronged you. And here you come again with this whole story about your doctors. Bear in mind, your co-worker back then said those doctors are fake. He called it, Donaga, he called it. And here you come back this year, I hope 3 or 4 years later. Planka! Let me call him doctor. There was not really surgeon. Let me get him name doctor. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. How many more lies have you told? Why should I continue to hear your lies over and over and over and keep suppressing how I feel? I will not suppress anything anymore, Donegal. You wronged a lot of us. I wish I could imprison you. I would do it right now. I wish I could send you to prison. But I know it might be a little bit hard for me to do it alone. But this doesn't mean I can't expose you. And that is what I will do. I will be your flipping Achilles heel. So to the person who called me a thorn, no, I'm more than that. I'm going to be her Achilles heel. Go look it up. All of you think I'm a fool, right? I'm going to show you how foolish I can be. I'm going to show you. Birds of a feather tend to flock together. I don't have to look to Donegal or any of you for no validation. No, nothing. I'm good. I'm fine by myself. One person I was out here sabotaging myself. Okay. Is it you I'm sabotaging? No. I'm sabotaging myself. So why are you making that a concern of yours? In life, you must learn to stand for something, or you will never stand for anything. And I choose to stand for something. I refuse to only know that someone has wronged me by taking my money deceptively and not speak out. You can choose to not speak out if you choose. That is your right to do so. However, I'm going to speak. And whoever want to hear me, hear me. And if you don't want to hear me, that is your right to do so too. That is your right to not want to hear me either. Just know I'm not going to stop talking. Anyways. So Donna, she came out here with her nonsense as per usual. Per usual. Throwing stones. Hyping up the planks as per usual. But you know those planks, you know, you guys don't realize that was a tactic of hers. But Donna, don't you see? Don't you see? You got all that views, right? You got all that views. Yet still you only got 1K likes. Don't you see? Like yo, you're not the Donegal who, you know, the back then Donegal, the one we thought was genuine and authentic. That was the one we would have stood with. The one you turned into a whole kleptomaniac. And a lot of people realize it and pulled away from you. They give you their view, absolutely. Take our view. Take it. We never get our likes. Just your content is 1K, 2K. And people, let me tell you something. Do not trust her. Don't trust Donegal, you hear me? Don't trust her. Whether you like me not. Yes, support her. Buy her cakes. At least she's working for an honest bread. That way. Yes. Buy her cakes. Buy her little accoutrements, yes. But don't enter no kind of charitable anything with her. She is untrustworthy. And that's the truth. Whether you believe me not, I don't care. I don't. And then again, if you choose to give her your money, that is your right to do so too. It is your right to do so. You understand? So don't think you're gonna be spiting me by going and giving her your money. No, you're spiting yourself. You're doing it to yourself and yourself alone. Right? And it's without further ado, let's hear what she has to say before I throw something else out there and expose her one more time. We're gonna stop because Donegal, let me tell you this. Not like I can't fight copyright, because I can, but I'm not gonna give you no looking. I'm not giving you no leg to stand on to make it easier for you. So I'm gonna please stop and talk, right? That's what I'm gonna do. But just know, I could just play her out and let her copyright me and counter notes that show her how bad I am when it comes to copyright. But we're not gonna make it that easy for you. We're not gonna make it that easy for your backside. No. You're gonna have to work. You're gonna have to work for this copyright. You're gonna have to work for it. Anyways, let's have it.
I've been dragged through the pit, dragged through the mud, dragged through the toilet, dragged through everywhere, and I am still standing.
And pause. Let me ask you this question: who started dragging me first? Who started exposing me first? Was it me? Was it Lorraine? Was it anyone? Who was this person? Who was this person who started this Bring Donegal campaign? Who started it? Can someone tell me who started this Bring Donegal scamming campaign? Who started it first? Donegal, who started this campaign first? My question to you is, why did you invite that person in your space? To the point where now you're saying, I love Whistle. Love which part? No, you're only putting on a band-aid on that wound you're trying very hard to cover. But trust me, that band-aid's going to keep coming off. It's going to keep coming off. Little by little, it's going to come off. I promise you. You wait. Bear in mind, I know enough. You know, that one over there, I will always appreciate him. Because he is the prize. You don't realize he is the prize. He is the prized possession. He is. Don't you see? That is why you have to go and get him. Right? Right, Don? That is why you have to go and get him in your space to shut it. In fact, you sent Delilah to go and weaken Samson. Right? So Samson could have cowered to you, bow down to the queen. Right, Don? But I bet you can't get me to bow down to you. Your name is not Maureen. And not even Maureen can get me to bow down to her like that. But I will bow down to her because she's my mother. But, you know, who started this Bring Donegal campaign down first? With your illicit scamming activities. Can someone write the name in the comments? I don't know who the person is. Does anyone know the person's name who started this Bring Donegal campaign down. Hello, where are you people? Are you guys present? On a present? Is this live even necessary? I want to know if he was there, if you know anything. There we go. 360. And he's now in your team of people, Donegal. My question is, why did you invite him into your space to the point you now say, I love whistling? Now, love nothing. Love nothing. You invited him because he was the only one who could have brought you down to an open disgrace. That was said. Bear in mind, he did call and say Kwame wasn't blind. He did say Kwame was not blind. Did he not? Did he not, Donegal? He called a lot of things on your page. And to date, 1st of March in London, 3/4 of what he said about you was true. 3/4 of what Ashanti said about you to date is true. And you damn know it too. Right, Donegal? Right, people? Let's continue. A company I look, a company I damn look. But you not get my company. The time you out at that stone, point the darts where they ought to go. Point them. You are just mad. You are just mad now. I know a lot of things you did now is fake. It is wickedness to us you did. And I can prove it. Me can prove that backside. Imagine you planks are fools when you need deliverance. You planks, you need deliverance out of bondage. At this point, on stuck in a bondage. And on the backside, go love on the mama. Go love on the mama sister. Go love on the papa sister. Go call on a papa sister auntie. The other girl is not on auntie. She's a damn thief. And that means she's a damn thief. A wicked, kleptomaniac ghetto woman. And I'm not cursing her. I'm telling her the flipping truth. Let's continue.
And I just want to use today as a day of motivation for others out.
You're not motivating nobody. You're not motivating nobody, right? You're trying very hard to pull them back to you. Pull them, Donna. Pull them. Una guan to the auntie. Guan to the auntie. Go to the auntie. Right? I wanted to keep naming on the old. You planks, a lot of you planks, you deserve what you get. Because to know that you people are out here doing the same things I once was doing. The same things I do now to other people, even people like me who was out here doing the most for her, thinking she was God's gift to creation. Shit. If only I had known the truth a long time ago. But I'm going to say to you, if God was like man, Donegal, if God was like man, do you hear me, sister? If God was like man, Donegal, I don't rate you. I don't rate you. Even if I once rated you, I don't rate you again. Based on what you've done, based on the things you've done to us, especially me, to tell me that you love me and to do those things you did to me.
That there's nothing that is impossible for God to do in your life. Whatever the devil have in store and whatever the devil plan, God always turn it around. I was sitting there and I said, why?
Is God turn it around for you, Donegal? Just asking. Is he turning it around for you? Because I can remember you could have pulled easily in your page 10K easily. You're lucky if you get 3K now. You're lucky if you get 3K. What happened to those people? Planks, get off my page. Let me sit over here, my 20 people. I don't know why you guys keep coming and hopping off. Get off my flipping page. Have some shame. When I don't like me, right? You despise me, right? Why are you here? Just asking out of curiosity. Why are you here? Donegal, is God turning it around for you? Is he turning it around for you? Has the tides turned in your favor just yet? Has the tides turned in your favor just yet? Because if it has, I still haven't seen the aftermath. I still haven't seen the results. I ain't seen it yet. I'm still looking though. I hope your people are waking up. I hope they're flipping waking up tonight. You are not trustworthy. Let me tell you guys something. You see me? I'm a person like this. I would not be out to doing this if I couldn't prove it. I would not be out to doing this if I couldn't prove it, okay? So whether you guys believe and believe me or not, if you choose the content to be her confederate, do so. But do so because you want to. Don't come try and drag me because of the truth I know to be true. Okay? Don't do that. Please, I'm begging you, please. Please.
All of you turn back good night. I better go look some more potato and bake tomorrow. My foot and them they're not swell, but they're literally tender. And it's stressful for Paula sometimes because sometimes she not.
We don't want to hear about no damn pudding. No one is out here, Donna. Let me tell you something. No one is out here fighting your pudding business. People do not get this shit misconstrued. I am not out here fighting her business. Every man and woman has to eat. And if that is the only option she has to eat, okay, I accept it. It is fine to make your honest bread however way you choose to. Long as it is honest, it is fine. You hear me, Donna? No one is fighting your cake business. Nobody. We just one dash to share penny because we was out here dragging Tinchin's cake when she was in her kitchen baking, and here you come and foreign baking in the same kitchen. So this one dash to shade. It's not that serious. It's not that. Relax. It's not that serious. It's not. Relax.
I get message constantly, and every one of them share the same over. So I am. Not the website not done, but even probably the weekend will start again.
We really want to hear this. We don't hear this. We don't hear this. We don't hear this. We don't hear this. A backside.
I can't stop telling you thanks.
Okay, you see?
From the bottom of my heart.
You see, here she is buttering up the fans because she knows without them she is nothing. Hello, Donna. Without the fans, you're nothing. You know, see, I have nothing to lose but followers. Nothing. Me, Dwayne, I have nothing to lose but followers. But do I care if I lose them or lose them? Like, no, I don't give a shit. You give a shit. I don't. You know, see it. Whether I'm out or not, I have to eat. I don't eat very well. You know, see it. So that's your out butter them. You're buttering them because you know, say, now you are being opened up like the worms you are. You ask God to. It is bothering me. And you're out here planks. Donna gotta keep buttering them. I will encourage you. Planks, do not let go of her. She needs you. Right? Just don't trust her with no damn charity. Not going on a damn charity and that engagement with her. Don't do it. But buy her cakes and yes, buy her cakes. Buy them, yes. She have a bust her backside. She said, by the sweat of your brow, you shall eat bread. Make she bust her backside and make them cake and them pudding and sell to other. They don't care about it. But when it comes to charity, don't get involved. Don't get involved. Marina, as one of Mixup Club, I don't care. I'm telling the flipping truth. Don't enter a charity engage with her backside. She's a damn klepto. That's the truth. And I'm going to prove it. I'm going to prove it very soon. Give me a second. It's soon come. We'll just go to the party real quick.
Daughters want to say thank you guys so much.
All right, congrats, daughters. Congrats. Congrats. Yes.
Every day.
Yes.
Instead of stop last week,
yes.
Start again.
All right.
And then every night, I say, Mommy, you're not tired.
We don't want you to party. You're chatting.
I want to tie the wolf, because she hear the wolf now go, boom. Same thing. Big up on a nice, clean self. Big up everybody, everybody who has reached out to me. Big up. Continue.
Let me tell you why. You see, I heard you big that Tammy Faye in this segment. Well, she only did that because people are out there calling her Tammy Faye because to be a klepto too. That's why she's coming out here to put on this united front. But if the plants want to bite, that is the plant's business. I don't care. Donegal, I don't care. Put on your United Front oil and put it on. It is okay. Just doesn't mean me now buy it. I'm not buying into your damn. I'm not buying into it. I'm not. I'm not. You're wicked. All right.
I stay up on the phone with me while me and mix up and just talk and keep my company.
All
Whenever
right.
things
All
are
right.
not the
I feel
same.
I'm gonna
You know,
jump this
all the
part
people that
too.
will reach out
I'm
to
gonna
me
jump this part
when me
too.
a be a concept. My
I'm
God,
gonna
Chris, pick
jump
up
this
yourself for
part
the
too.
message. Just go and do your thing and just go and be it. Come here. You know,
Yeah,
only
you're
big up on
coming
yourself because you know everybody who really call me when me have the
Hey.
nitty gritty. I'm frustrated, I say I'm tired. You know, sometimes I say I don't want to come and fire and a bird down the pick with them fear. I don't have enough. I say, all right, that evening batch, we send out that one day. You know, I don't have enough. I say, I try it and it work out. So the
Master to the
strawberry
farm
cake
one
over
here.
here just different. You know,
I don't want you to part yeah.
the caramel pudding was at this word on my page was comment something to
No,
cheer me on, you
no,
know. There was this particular comment that I deleted and I shouldn't have deleted it.
Yeah,
Where
I
the
know.
person said, watch her, she said she rich and she have money and she come and fire and bake in her kitchen, and that goes to say the mindset of the person that said that there's never enough in life. Butch Stewart and Elon Musk, they never sell
Yeah,
10
no.
cars and they stop selling cars.
Donegal, pause. I don't believe about that comment point one. Point two, me not see your throwing stones at us over yesterday because, you know, Donna, you're missing the point. No one is out here attested. Is it? No. No one is out here making it seem that you can't bake in your kitchen. But in your case, bear in mind, I already told you, you said you made 20 million per year from YouTube. To me, if you wanted to go to America, you bear in mind you call everyone in America, most people stagnant in America. You said people in America are clean shit. They live in a basement, Austin and Kofat, right? You said those things. So to me, for me, Donna, for you to go to America and open shop back in the very same place you started in Jamaica, it told me you're stagnant.